This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla Walker. Beautiful new home under construction. Our York 4 offers an open, spacious floor plan, 2-story with mostly first-floor living. 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. First floor primary bedroom, 2 additional bedrooms downstairs, 4th bedroom west/full bath upstairs. Kitchen features a large dining island, oversized pantry, soft close cabinets. Open den and dining space. Ceramic tile shower and primary bathroom. Covered porch has ceiling fan. No neighbors behind the home. Rear entry 2-car garage. Listing is base price, additional options available. Additional inventory homes available. Call for details and appointment. #Equal Housing Opportunity October 3, 2024 for more.